How to be happy. Whether it's laughing, taking time to smell the roses, or dancing, follow this road to happiness. You will need a positive attitude, a pen and paper, goals, and a support group. Step 1. Keep a positive outlook. Focus on all of the wonderful things in your life, such as family, friends, and your accomplishments. Do not base your happiness on how much money you make. Wealth does not bring happiness. Mo money, mo problems. Step 2. Write down on paper the things that you are thankful for every day. Step 3. Make realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your progress. Step 4. Invest your time and energy in your family and friends to develop and keep meaningful relationships. Step 5. Live in the moment and enjoy experiences as they happen. Embrace what you are doing and with whom you are doing it. Step 6. Volunteer and help others in need. It is beneficial to all parties involved. Step 7. Think small. Instead of worrying about things in the big picture that you can't control, think about little things that make you smile, such as a song or a movie you like, or a friendship that's important to you. Did you know? Volunteering helps build self-esteem and confidence while helping strengthen communities and improving lives.